And I beat Brett. Mine's bigger than his. That mouth made to eat. Catching fish, beautiful canyon. Jeez, welcome to Lake Powell.
Yeah, hey, way to go, bro.
Woo. There you go, excellent.
Okay, I want an NBA high five.
Slower, reel it in slower.
Oh, there you go.
Got it. Can I keep that one?
Smallmouth bass.
Good job.
What
So what do you think there, buddy?
It's cool. It's fun to see him catch it. Like me, it doesn't matter, but for him, it's awesome.
Then you got to say, and here's Wayne, and now poor Wayne's got to take over.
Well, you're an old hack at that. That's not a problem for you.
Yeah, right.
So we're joined with Wayne Gustavson, the project lead for Lake Powell down here, and I don't think anybody knows every nook and cranny, and you probably have all the fish named too, don't you?
I do. There's walleye, there's striper.
So they just go by a group name then,
yeah,
right? Okay.
Yeah.
That makes it easy for you.
Walleye 1, 2, and 3. Yeah.
But even in that, there's a lot to know because there's a lot of species, and I mean that's one of the great things about Powell, obviously, is the opportunities that it presents anglers, and you really never know what you're going to pull up. Talk about that diversity that is available down here at Powell, and you know, and sometimes there's a different species that's keying up, and others might die down a little bit, but there's always something to catch here.
There is, and the most abundant fish at Lake Powell in most years is the striped bass. And striped bass are just an eating machine. They hatch out, they start swimming, and they look for food. So it doesn't matter what time of year, there's always some way, somehow, that you can catch striped bass. Of course, if we switch to summertime, that's when they start to boil. You can look out at the surface of Lake Powell and say, oh, there's stripers over there. And you follow them, and that's probably the most exciting thing you can do in fresh water.
Okay, look for the rock.
I can't probably pick any one favorite place at Lake Powell just because, you know, everywhere here is such a beautiful experience. So I like fishing all of Lake Powell. My number one fish would be largemouth bass.
Oh my God!
Oh,
nice!
Nice
bass.
I caught a nice 6+ pound largemouth, fishing with a little tube jig. We were kind of trying to catch a little of everything, and that was really a bonus fish. And to make it even better, I unhooked the largemouth, set my rod down with my lure still in the water, caught a crappie. And I can't beat that 2-for-1 special.
Oh, that's so good! What you pass?
Dude, these fish.
What happened there?
I just lost the fish, mate. I was just reeling it up a little quicker, and that fish was just right there, come up, and I was like this. So I missed it. Got a little bigger too, but they always do when you don't get them.
Exactly.
Nice greenie.
It's a nice fish.
Hey, buddy. Nice little guy. Thank you very much. This is a largemouth bass.
What's the favorite fish to catch down here?
Well, I'm kind of like a crappie guy. Kind of like catching panfish, but get some nice big stripers and nice greenies like that too. So a lot of fun here at Powell.
Got him. I'm not letting this.
You got him?
Yeah.
Dude, that's a nice looking fish.
Well, typically I've always fished further south. This trip here, we're up by Good Hope Bay. It's kind of like a first time for me being up this direction, but typically I'm a walleye guy. I love to fish walleyes all over. This trip, and what makes Lake Powell different is that it's kind of fun to go out here and catch stripers. You don't get to do that every day, and catch a bunch of crappie. It's been a pretty good trip down here this time. Beautiful largemouth bass, Lake Powell, Utah.